Pergola Aura patio to elegant and solid aluminum roofing that works perfectly as a wall-mounted structure. Its modern design emphasizes the character of a terrace, garden, or restaurant space. Aura is made to measure. Its maximum width and projection are 4.5 meters, which allows it to be perfectly adjusted to any space. The roof is made of fabric in several variants. It is fully waterproof. It protects against rain, sun, and UV radiation. The pergola is operated as standard by a crank or an electric motor controlled by a remote. Optionally, LED lighting and weather sensors can be added. Additionally, the structure has a water drainage system and an optional protective roof that secures the fabric when retracted. Various types of sunscreens, wooden shutters, and glass walls can be installed on the pergola. The Aura pergola combines functionality, aesthetics, and durability, creating a comfortable relaxation area outdoors throughout the season. Installation begins by screwing in 2 mounts in the designated places. The mounting points are determined based on the attached instructions. These are the 2 outer mounts, left and right brackets. The brackets are screwed directly to the wall. Bracket mounted. Proceed to install both pergola rafters. Before doing so, check whether the distance of the first guide trolley is the same on each rafter. If not, it should be easily adjusted. Insert the first left rafter directly into the previously mounted bracket. Slide the rafter in and tighten it with the appropriate screw. The rafter has a certain adjustment range, allowing you to freely adjust the tilt angle of the pergola. The first left rafter has been mounted. The right side is done in exactly the same way. Now proceed to assemble the so-called front frame of the pergola. Start by screwing its supports together. The support has a special base that should be screwed to its lower part. First support assembled. Time for the next support. Its base is screwed in exactly the same way. It has a vertical water drainage system, which drains water from the gutter. To assemble everything together, screw both supports to the front gutter. This creates the so-called frame. Insert and fasten the screw pads, then tighten the support plates to them. The front frame has been mounted. It should be lifted and connected to the rafters. Connect the rafter directly to the front gutter bracket. Mount the left rafter in exactly the same way. Install the filter against leaves and debris. Insert it into the gutter opening. Water will be drained directly into the right or left support. Now it's time for the reinforcing beams. They serve not only to strengthen the structure but also to mount the roof. Attach the beam directly between the two rafters. It should be adjusted so that its distance from the wall is equal on both sides. Now set the position for the second reinforcing beam. Screw it in exactly the same way. Also, check its distance from the first beam. If necessary, it can be corrected and properly aligned. Now it's time to install the fabric module. The module comes pre-assembled. It includes the fabric and wine-resistant beams. Slide the module directly into the rafters. It has special beam trolleys that must be inserted one after another into the rafter. The last beam has been inserted. Move the entire module forward and attach the first beam to the first guide trolley. It moves the fabric along the entire length of the rafters. The drive belt is hidden inside the rafter. Our demonstration pergola is equipped with a manual crank drive, but it can also be fitted with an electric motor with a remote control. Attach the crank drive. Screw the crank drive directly to the rafter. Then insert the drive tube and fasten it between the rafters. Install the retaining rings and tighten the entire assembly. The drive tube has been installed. Now proceed to install the optional fabric roof. It is mounted directly to the reinforcing beams. The roof protects the fabric when it is fully retracted. It also significantly enhances aesthetics. It includes properly cut sheet metal sections and aluminum mounting strips. The roof has been installed. The final stage is screwing the fabric cover beam, but first, the wall brackets must be mounted. The bracket is mounted directly under the pergola. To install the beam, move the entire module closer to the wall. Now the beam can be placed into the brackets. After inserting it, lock the last fixed beam of the pergola so that it can no longer move. Attach the end caps of the beams. Side covers, and the gutter end caps. Finally, attach the front gutter cover. Click it directly into the gutter.